Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unlike all liked videos on YouTube at once. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now to go ahead and do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the YouTube app on your device. Then what you want to do is come down to the bottom right-hand corner and press onto your profile icon. Now what that's going to do is take you across to your account. And from here, what you need to do is come down to the playlist section. In here, you're going to see all your liked videos. You can see mine is here. I've currently got 5 videos I've liked. So what you need to do to delete all your liked YouTube videos is come to the history section. And to the right of the history section, you're going to see this View All button. Just go ahead and give that a press. Then what you need to do is come up to the top right-hand corner, press onto the 3 dots, and then press onto the Manage All History option. Now, what that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this. From here, if you look at the top, you've got History, Controls, and Interactions. What you want to do is press onto Interactions, and in the Video Interactions section on this page, you want to press onto Video Likes and Dislikes. So here we are. As you can see, this is going to bring up all our current liked videos. Now what you can do is go through and delete these one by one by pressing the cross next to the video you want to delete. However, if you want to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once, what you need to do is come up to the top and press onto the 3 dots. From here, you're going to see an option that says Delete All. If you actually give this a press, a window will come up saying, Delete your likes and dislikes on YouTube videos activity from all time. Your activity will be permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. So all you need to do at this point is simply press delete. It might take a minute or two depending on how many liked videos you have. As you can see, this has completely deleted all the liked videos on YouTube at once. So that's basically how to unlike all liked videos on YouTube at once. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.